scary day, guys. Today I will show you some horror electro house and how to scare all of your friends. Let's go. Add scary vocal to timeline.
You don't scare me, but you should fear me. The sun is setting, don't trust your hearing.
Add Fatra Reese Bass. Add BG pad to saturate the break with air. Pump up the atmosphere with the scariest sounds. Add layered music box. Add footsteps and heartbeat. Add snares and risers. Add some FX to mid build up. Record your own monster vocal. Add drop drums. Add powerful stab. Add drop bass. Add brutal drop lead. Add epic vocal chops. Sounds like shit? No. To play vocals by notes, use a manipulator. Put the same port in these two places and write the notes under the vocal chops. Well, now you know how to make a scary track to blow up all the EDM festivals. So put a like and go create your own chart-topping track. Let's hear the final result.